Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 taskbar icons not showing missing invisible and blank. First method is press Windows and I keys. Uncheck automatically hide the taskbar. Second method is press Windows and R keys. Type task mgr, click OK. Restart Windows Explorer. Third method is type Windows and R keys, type regedit, click OK. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as undocking disabled, change value data to 1. Press Alt and F4 keys and select Restart. Fourth method is press Windows and R keys, type %local app data %. Delete all files and folders. Press Alt and F4 keys and select Restart. Fifth method is press Windows and R keys, type Ctrl. Select any restore point. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.